Do you want to transform your selfie into fun 3D cartoon character in just few taps? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use CapCut Mobile's built-in AI style feature. What are we waiting for? Let's get started! First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the photo or video featuring your face, then tap Add to import it. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects. Then select Body Effects. Choose the Image tab on the top. It will show you options of different 3D style effect. Tap the style that you want to see it on your clip. When you're satisfied with the result, tap the checkmark to apply the style. Drag either ends to make the effect shorter or longer. Play back your project before exporting to see the final result. And there you have it! That's how you turn your face into 3D cartoon in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep creating, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.